This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a Bosch oven door that isn't closing properly. On the right side here, the latch is in perfect position forward as it should be, so it's hinged and hinged down coming toward us. On the left side though, that lever got caught inside the oven cavity, so it's not going to open all the way. It's only going to open to about 33 degrees and it won't close properly until we can get this fixed. And it's actually pretty easy to fix, just got to know the trick. What we're going to do is shut off the power, and then we're going to remove a couple of screws to be able to pull the oven slightly out of the cabinet. Then we can get to it. There's a little compartment that we can remove. So we're going to remove these two Phillips head screws that are holding it in at the top after you open the door a little bit. There might be a couple at the bottom on some models, but usually just a couple of those holding it in. And then you can grab the oven and pull it towards you slightly. And that's going to expose a little compartment here in the lower left-hand corner. And that is a switch that helps the oven know when the door is open or closed. But also it gives you an access point where you can reach in and you can take that lever that's caught inside the cavity and you can push it toward the front of the oven and be able to get it back out of that hole. So I'm going to remove those two screws and just kind of wiggle this screw assembly out. That's it. And once I can wiggle this thing out, I'll have a little bit of space where I can get to that lever and bend it forward and down toward the front of the oven. I'm trying it with my finger, but I have this little hook tool. You could even use like a coat hanger that has a small hook on it. You're going to reach up in there and then take that lever and bring it down and forward towards you with the oven door either closed or partially closed. There's the lever now. It's back in the normal position. It came out, and that allowed the door to come all the way back down as it should, and it'll allow it to close too. So that did the trick, and then I can just put that little switch back in and put the screws in, and then we're done. So pretty easy way to fix that problem. It's an unusual problem, but sometimes it happens where when you're putting the door back on, that lever will get caught inside. So I'm just going to put those two screws back in. And then on the right side, if you have that problem, there's also another compartment that you can remove by removing these Phillips head screws. And that'll give you even better access to that lever if it gets caught inside. And you can, with the door closed, you can bend it down and then take it right out. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.